fucking shit steamer. Imagine that.
Tom Lewis making Viv's bed in
In
Pontins.
Pontins, Charlotte 551.
Charlette's 551. In the background, that's Nicky. There he is. There's Nicky looking at Tom making Viv's bed. He's doing a very good job. Fair play, Tom. He's doing an excellent job now. Oh, look at that. Makes me want to go back to bed. It looks so nice. Yes, Tom. Oh, it's a little bit untidy down the bottom here, Tom. Not looking quite right. That's better. Don't forget the pillows, Tom. I want the two pillows in the middle. There's one. Two. There we are. Excellent. Thank you, Tom. Give me a smile. Very good job done.